This is day 29 of making a Chicken Jockey City. I improved the original neighborhood, fixed the sidewalk on Chicken Jockey Boulevard, and made a Toys R Us. I unfortunately gained 0 subscribers, but I still added a single chicken jockey. Please like and subscribe so I can add more chicken jockeys and expand the city. If you are new to this channel, I don't add any doors so the chicken jockeys can get in and out.